Hey, it's Jamie with Vanlife Northwest coming at you with the Hiace tip of the day. How to change the bulb in these tail light assemblies. First, open your door and remove this panel. It helps if you have a plastic tool so you can get in here and pop it out. Once you have the panel off, you want to find whatever side light is out and remove this little cover. And then you can see this little bulb holder. It's not really accessible at this point. So what we're going to do is unscrew the assembly by removing this black dot or this one if it's on the left side. Once you remove that, you'll find a 10mm nut, and we'll take that off. Now that we have the nut off, we can grab our plastic tool, lower our tailgate, and try and work it in to this seam right here so we can pull the light out like that. There it is. Now you can access your bulb by turning it to the left, pulling it out, and replacing it. The bulb is going to be a dual filament 1157 part number bulb, and it looks like this. Installation is just the opposite of removal. We're going to put that back. Make sure we line up tail light assembly. Smack it in place until it clicks. Nice and flush. Then put that nut back on. And this you'll want to tape back up. It's important that this is intact and sealed, as well as this vapor barrier. If it's not sealed, you may suck exhaust up through the tailgate and into the cabin, which you do not want. And you should be done.